The market drop is the top news.
It's all over TV and the papers.
I made several thousand. I didn't put in too much. They told me it's going down in June, so I sold out in late May. I learned from the pros. There's financial TV shows every night.
Most vendors didn't invest. They don't know much about it.
We small vendors here don't play in stocks. Only the merchants do.
We can't afford to trade the stocks. Plus, we're not interested in it. Whether up or down, it has nothing to do with us.
Never thought about it. It's too risky, and already it's hard just to make a living.
You see red and green up and down in the papers. I only make $400 a month. How can I afford to play in the stock market? Two of my friends lost almost everything in the market.
Some of my customers say they've lost thousands.
Now they quit gambling on stocks and bet on card games.
He lost 20 years of savings overnight.
I started 3 years ago. The stock market grows so little every day and crashes too fast overnight. Now I can only enjoy the card games.
He can't sleep at night. I used to envy him, and now he lost his mind because of the market. No more jealousy.